integration, there is an area where you are required to use integration to find the area and the curves. And simply what you need to do once you have the equation or the expression of the curve, you just integrate the curve in the limits where you have been taught. Now, for instance, we have this first example, and in our first example it says find the area enclosed by the x-axis, lines x equals to -2, line x equals to -2, and x equals to +2. So from x -2 to x +2, then and the curve y equals to 6 plus x minus x squared. So this is the curve, right, shown in the figure below. So in actual sense, we are required now to use integration to be able to calculate the area shaded in this figure. So remember, now you have been given the limits. You are beginning from x is -2 to x is +2. Now you need to get just this area. Remember, such a working will give you the exact area from -2 to +2, that point, and then the area enclosed by the x-axis, the curve, and those two lines. So the question is, how do you get this area? And the answer is simple. The area shall be given by, you are required now to integrate from this point here, -2 to +2, the equation of the curve. You put in the equation of the curve, 6 plus x minus x squared with respect to x. So you integrate that equation from this limit to this limit, and you shall get that required area, that shaded area. So simply put, let's go on and see. So this one shall be what? After integrate, this shall be 6x, right? Now this, remember, is power 1, so it becomes 6x power 2, x squared over 2, right? Then minus x is power 2, so it becomes x power 3 over 3. Alright? Then our limits are -2 to +2. Then now from there is nothing to simplify because it's in the simplified form. So we now substitute in our upper limit, which is +2. So we shall have 6 times 2, 6 into 2, plus 2 squared over 2 minus 2 cubed over 3. Right? Good. Then minus, so now we are substituting our lower limit into the whole expression, and we shall have 6 into -2, right, plus -2 squared over 2, -2 squared over 2 minus -2 cubed over 3, -2 cubed over 3. Right, so this one gives us what? 6 times 2 is 12, minus this is 2 squared is 4 over 2, then plus this is 2 cubed is, sorry, here there was a mistake, so this is 12, so this is plus, right, so this is 4 over 2, then minus 8 over 3. Thank you. Now we move on now. Then on the other side we have a -12, right, plus -2 squared is 4 over 2. 4 over 2 minus, so -2 cubed shall be -8 over 3. Shall be -8 over 3. So now we can get down to these answers and see this one becomes this shall be 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2 minus 8 over 3. Then minus, we shall have this one is -12 plus 2, -12 plus 2 plus 8 over 3. So what does this gives us? This is 14, shall be 14 minus 8 over 3. Okay, this gives us this 11.333 minus, now let's get here, we have negative 12 minus 12 plus 2, okay, then plus 8 over 3, plus 8 over 3, and this gives us negative 7.333. So this one finally gives us 11.333, then plus 7.333. Finally, we shall have the answer to be 18.66667 square units. Square units. So the area under our curve, we have now been able to determine it simply using integration. So the upper part, the upper side gives us that. So you simply integrate as we have seen. Now as we progress, you shall notice that if you have an area of this nature, say you can be given an area whereby you have your curve goes up, then goes down, then goes up again. All right. So possibly now you are required to